do you think women will have a bigger presence and contribute more to the development of the energy sector? Maybe you.
Well, me as a woman, I worked in energy sector for really. I started working in it in 90s years of past century. So well, women can bring, let me say, more or even a different approach, or let me say, I think that we can influence on, let me say, new ideas. Why? Because I've been speaking about the, let me say, flexibility, then the, let me say, these small appliances which will be flexible in the future, and I believe this. And because we women, we represent the key, let me say, the key, how can I say, entity in household. We will definitely be the most responsible, let me say, end users in this, let me say, in this development of the flexible services in which will be involved households. Because I think that in a couple of days we will be all buying smart appliances, which means that our washing machine, I don't know, dishwasher will be capable to start or to stop in accordance with the grid, with the market aspects. So yeah, this is it. And with this reason, I think that women, we must participate in this change, in this big change.